Want the real story about metal roofs? We're the Roof Expert USA, and in this video we will dispel the 5 myths about metal roofs for homeowners, considering having a metal roof installed by a Minneapolis roofing contractor. After decades on Minneapolis rooftops, we've seen what works and what doesn't. There's a lot of noise out there, myths, rumors, and half-truths. Today, I'm cutting through it all to give you 5 facts every homeowner should know before choosing a metal roof. Let's dive in. First myth: metal roofs make your house hotter. It sounds logical, but modern metal roofs are engineered with reflective coatings that bounce solar heat away. Instead of absorbing heat like asphalt shingles, metal roofs can actually keep your attic up to 40 degrees cooler in the summertime. Studies show they can cut cooling costs by up to 25%. So, far from turning your home into a sauna, metal roofs are among the most energy-efficient options out there. The hotter house myth? Busted. Next up, noise. People picture rain pounding like a drum, but that's not reality for modern homes. Metal roofs are installed over solid decking and insulation, which dampens sound. In practice, they're no louder than asphalt shingles, so you can enjoy peace and quiet, rain or shine. Worried about rust? Don't be. Today's metal roofs use galvanized steel or aluminum, protected by advanced coatings and factory-baked paint. These layers shield against moisture and prevent rust for decades, even in harsh Minneapolis weather. The rusty roof image is outdated. Modern metal roofs are built to last, looking great year after year. Rust isn't a concern anymore. Another myth: metal roofs attract lightning. Lightning strikes the tallest object, not the material. Metal roofs don't increase your risk. In fact, they're safer because metal is non-combustible and disperses electrical charge. If lightning does strike, a metal roof helps protect your home from fire. So, metal roofs don't attract lightning, they help keep you safe. Yes, metal roofs cost more upfront, but they last 50 years or more, far outlasting asphalt shingles, which may need replacing every 15 to 20 years. Factor in lower maintenance, energy savings, and increased home value, and the long-term math favors metal. It's not just about the initial price, it's about smart investment. Over decades, metal roofs often save you money. Think long-term, not just short-term. 5 myths debunked. Your roof is your home's crown and first defense. Modern metal roofing is durable, efficient, and built to last. Don't let old misconceptions steer you wrong. Look at the facts. If you're ready to invest in your home's future, consider a metal roof. Have questions? Reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and on behalf of all of us here at the Roof Expert, Minneapolis homeowners' best resource for reputable roofing contractors, see you next time.
I'm the Roof Expert. Subscribe to our channel for the most up-to-date roofing information in the Minneapolis